Okay, now we're going to get into chapter 27 and talk about the reproduction in flowering plants, and then this will tie up our botany unit. Objective 30 says, recall from chapter 24 the two major types of flowering plants and state their differences. If you look back on page 121 in your textbook at figure 24.8, you'll remember that the two major groups or types of flowering plants are monocots and dicots. And the monocots have one cotyledon in the seed. The eudicots or dicots have the two cotyledons. And the monocots have parallel venation in their leaves, whereas eudicots have a netted pattern of venation. In monocots, the flower parts are in multiples of 3, and in eudicots, it's multiples of 4s and 5s. So just look back at that chart on page 121 when you get a chance. Now, looking at the sexual reproductive strategies. Sexual reproduction is good because it generates variation, and you'll recall from previous chapter that we have the alternating life cycle. We have the sporophyte stage that makes the haploid spores that become the gametophytes and produce the gametes, the eggs and the sperm, and the gametes then fuse. You have a diploid zygote that's created, and then that zygote becomes the sporophyte. So it's an alternating life cycle that you have with these plants.